नमस्कार. पर मेलू. पर मेलू का टुकड़ा. What does it mean? Par means many. Melu is to blend them together, to get them together. When sounds that are inspired and are taken in from the nature, put together in a rhythm pattern in the form of a tukda or a paran, becomes a parmelu ka tukda or parmelu ki paran. Here is an example of a Tishra Jati Parmelu ka tukda. In this, the syllables that have been used, jhijikat, tho, thudang, tak, thun, tak, all these words are inspired by nature. Tat, tat, ta, dragadandan, dragadandan, jhijikat, jhijikat. These are the sounds that have come from nature. We also have the sounds of pakhavaj and tabla that become a part of our Parmelu ka tukda. Because this Parmelu ka tukda will be incomplete till we actually have the sounds of our percussion instruments, the sounds of our bells, the sounds from nature, water, the clouds, the lions walk or roar, the bees buzz, the frogs tarri. There's a very beautiful one which we will not be performing at the moment for this level, but tagnak tarri kukku tak tak jhanak jhanak tak dha. Now here you see jhanak jhanak is the payal, tak dha is again tabla and pakhavaj. Tagnag tarri kukku tak tak. Kukku is the bird, of course. Tagnag tarri kukku tak tak jhanak jhanak tak da. Jhijikit dhilang dhumukit tak dha te da. Dhumukit tak dha te da. Dhumukit tak dha te da. Thairakit tak dhilang dhumukit tak da. The dhilang is the sound of the lion, the way he leaps. So you see, a combination of all these bowls put together make a Parmelu ka tukda. In this lesson, we are going to explore a Tishra Jati ka Parmelu ka tukda. Takita dhekita 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 takita. Tat tat ta drag dan dan jhijikat 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 tho thudang tak thun tak tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig thai jhijikat tho thudang tak thun tak tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig jhijikat tho thudang tak thun tak tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig thai tigdha dig dig dha. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!